Okay, this is on Bentley 3953. Got my differential off. I took the, I don't know what you call it, this slides out only through the differential. Put it somewhere nice and clean, and I'm doing the back-to-back seals. So these bolts I think are pretty low, 18 foot-pounds or something like that. Come on. Awesome. Okay, so this piece comes up, and this is where the seals are. There is a little O-ring right there, which still feels pretty soft, and there's an O-ring in here on the back of there that if I had known I would have replaced, but it still feels real soft also. So there are these two, I already took them out. There are these two in here back to back. So this one would go in there like that, and then this one would go in there like this on top of it. This one, there's a seat on the bottom of this one, so that one goes in there all the way till it's seated. This one goes in here so it's flush with the top. So they get they're pretty close to each other, so I just got a screwdriver here and put it in there, twisted, went around, twisted, pull that one out. And then there is, I may have done the same thing with the bearing race. So there's this bearing race that goes to the pinion bearing there. I think I just put this in here and twisted a little. Didn't really have to. I was able to just put this in here and get the back of the seal and just drive it out back and forth. It really wasn't very tough, but I've been dreading this for a long time. And I think you're not supposed to. No, okay, obviously you don't have to replace that bearing race because that wouldn't help, because it can only go in from this side because of that seat. So anyway, you have to press this one in there and then till it seats, and then press this one in there until it's basically flush with the top.